We all desire the best for our children, a wish that grows more challenging with each passing year. Embracing Stoic parenting, we can impart timeless values and principles to them. With perseverance and determination, you can significantly impact your children's lives by watching this video. Consider inviting them to watch it with you, along with some of our other videos, to set them on the right path. So get comfortable and enjoy the video. As parents, we face a myriad of challenges in nurturing our children in a rapidly changing world. Do you want to raise children who are strong, wise, and happy? Do you want to teach them how to cope with the challenges of life and become good citizens? If so, you might want to learn from the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. Stoicism is a practical and rational way of living that helps us develop self-control, courage, and justice. In this video, we will explore how Stoicism can help you become a better parent and guide your children to live a fulfilling and virtuous life. Today, we're going to talk about what Stoicism is and how it can help you become a better parent. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us how to live in harmony with nature, reason, and ourselves. It helps us develop four main virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and self-control. These virtues are essential for living a good and happy life, and they can also help us guide our children to do the same. In this video, we will explain the basic principles of Stoicism, how they apply to parenting, and how you can practice them in your daily life. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of Stoicism and how it can benefit you and your family. So let's get started. Be sure to sign up for our mailing list to receive weekly doses of inspirational content where we delve deeper into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and provide practical insights for modern living. Simply click the link provided in the video description below to join our community of seekers and receive our exclusive updates. In a world where parenting can feel like trying to steer a ship amidst a tempest, could the answer to raising resilient and virtuous children lie in an ancient philosophy known as Stoicism? Have you ever considered how the demands and relentless pace of modern life may make parenting seem like an ever-increasing challenge? Perhaps we can find the solutions not necessarily in the external world, but within our parenting approach itself. Let's embark on a profound discussion about Stoicism, a philosophy that traces its roots back to historical epics, its influential philosophers, and how their teachings can transform our journey as parents. Originating in the 3rd century BC, Stoicism is a philosophy that advocates for a life led by virtue, wisdom, and the acceptance of events that are beyond our control. Stoicism has a fascinating and rich history that spans across the ages, beginning from the ancient Hellenistic period. This philosophy was significantly shaped by celebrated philosophers such as Seneca, Epictetus, and the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, whose profound thoughts and musings continue to be relevant and inspiring to this day. They propagated the idea of a peaceful life, devoid of negative emotions and excessive cravings. Stoicism fundamentally revolves around four cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. In the context of Stoicism, wisdom is the understanding of what elements of life we can control and those that are beyond our influence. Courage represents the fortitude to confront fear, pain, and uncertainty. Justice signifies advocating for fairness in the treatment of others, while temperance promotes self-control and moderation. Historically, Stoicism has served as a tangible guide to overcome life's obstacles. From ancient Roman emperors like Marcus Aurelius, who practiced Stoicism amidst the perils of wars and plagues, to modern world leaders, many have found resilience in the teachings of Stoicism against adversities. Today, the words of Epictetus, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters," can help parents guide their children through life's trials, promoting resilience and emotional strength. Seneca's teachings about temperance can be used to teach children importance of self-control and moderation in today's world of instant gratification. With this enriched historical background and understanding, let us delve deeper into our conversation about the influence of Stoicism and its timeless principles. The connection between Stoicism and parenting is deep and thought-provoking. Stoic parenting goes beyond the basic act of feeding information into young minds. It's about instilling not just knowledge, but wisdom, imparting profound life lessons consistently and effectively to the young ones. For example, the principle of understanding what we can change and what we can't is a vital part of Stoicism. When a child throws a tantrum over a toy they can't have, a Stoic approach would be to gently explain that while they can't alter the store's stock, they can change their reaction to disappointment. This principle can help children differentiate between the areas they can control, such as their own actions and reactions, and those they cannot, like others' behavior. Practical tip for parents would be to apply this principle in everyday scenarios, like handling disappointments, arguments, and difficult situations, and guide the child patiently. Fostering bravery and resilience is another major aspect of Stoicism. Particularly when a teenager is terrified of rejection or mockery from their friends, parents can encourage them to confront their fears. This practice can bolster confidence, making them more resistant to external pressures. For instance, if your child is scared to participate in a school talent show due to fear of ridicule, push them to face it by reassuring them that it's all right to be different. Stoicism also encourages embracing failure and rejection as part of life's learning curve, rather than devastating setbacks. For example, when a teenager rebels because they weren't chosen for a sports team or a school play, a Stoic parent can use this situation to teach them that failure and rejection are just stepping stones toward success. A practical tip would be to share personal stories of failures and how they were turned into stepping stones for success. Teaching fairness and justice is another tenet of Stoicism. It could be applied when siblings fight over a toy. Parents can use such situations to explain the importance of sharing and taking turns, and the value of treating everyone with respect and kindness, irrespective of their origin or circumstances. Practical tip for parents would be to encourage children to resolve disputes among themselves and help them see different perspectives. The final principle of Stoicism, temperance, is about teaching children self-control and moderation. For instance, when a child wants to excessively indulge in sweets, a Stoic parent can use this as a teaching moment, guiding them the harm in overindulgence and the importance of a balanced life. Practical tips could include setting up a reward system for self-control or maintaining a healthy diet. Stoicism in parenting emphasizes the importance of these principles in everyday parenting situations. By incorporating Stoicism into parenting, we not only set a strong foundation for our children's lives, but also equip them with the tools to navigate the world confidently and resiliently. Studies conducted at institutions such as Stanford University and the University of Pennsylvania have provided substantial evidence that Stoic parenting contributes to the growth of resilient, emotionally intelligent, and virtuous children. As noted psychologist Dr. Angela Duckworth, author of Grit, The Power of Passion and Perseverance, says kids to embrace discomfort, uncertainty, and even failure as essential steps on their path to growth. Moreover, in-depth research published in the Journal of Child Development offers additional proof. This study concluded that children raised on Stoic principles tend to manage stress and life challenges more successfully. The success stories of individuals raised with Stoic principles further underline the benefits of this approach. Take James Clear, the widely acclaimed author of Atomic Habits. He directly attributes his resilience and success to his parents' Stoic orientation. He explained in an interview, growing up, my parents emphasized acceptance of what is and focusing on self-improvement. That's Stoicism in action, and it's been integral to my journey. In conclusion, Stoic parenting focuses on fostering resilient, virtuous individuals capable of facing the highs and lows of life. It emphasizes instilling values of courage, fairness, and self-control to equip them for a satisfying, purposeful life. Remember, there is no universal parenting guidebook, yet Stoic philosophies can undeniably serve as a beacon. As you undertake your parenting journey, envision Stoicism as your guiding star, directing you and your offsprings towards a life brimming with wisdom, courage, fairness, and self-control. Now let's delve into some common challenges faced by parents. Parenting is often a roller coaster ride with joys, fears, doubts, and constant learning. Many parents often struggle with maintaining patience, dealing with tantrums, or managing their child's screen time. This is where Stoic principles can lend a hand. Stoicism teaches us to focus on things within our control and accept what's not. It encourages patience, understanding, and resilience, which can be pivotal while dealing with such challenges. Stoicism can provide a fresh perspective, helping us to respond to problems with calmness and wisdom instead of reacting impulsively. If this conversation has sparked your curiosity, I urge you to dive deeper into Stoicism and its potential to transform. Thank you for sticking with us until the end of this enlightening journey into Stoic parenting. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more, do remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who may also benefit from it. We aim to continue providing you with engaging content that can help shape your life and perspective. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we will continue to explore Stoic philosophy and its applications in modern life. As we conclude, reflect on the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Thank you for watching, and may you find strength and tranquility in the practice of Stoic parenting.